In this session, we'll see how we can create a very effective marketing funnel with the help of ChatGPT. So marketing funnels are going to be a series of steps which we take to bring customers to our particular page and make them convert. So this can involve creating a lead magnet and then having an email automation setup done so that we can nurture our users and then finally give them our offers, which we would want them to take up. So all this strategy building can take a lot of time, that what kind of lead magnets and email sequences which you need to provide. But now with the help of ChatGPT, we can get these steps in place and then we can start building them one after the other. So let's have a look at this, guys, how we can have a basic steps of marketing funnel created for our businesses. So once we are on the ChatGPT, we can go ahead and give that prompt to it as well. And you can ask for specific steps. So now the ChatGPT will give us specific information regarding that. Okay, so which we can get over here, like defining the audience, map the customer journey. Okay, and then we can see different stages over here, marketing funnels. So lead magnets, creating lead magnets, nurturing the strategies. You can see these all can be the steps one after the other, which we can get out of here. Now, looking at this, now we can start building out these particular steps one by one going forward. So like, for example, we can start working on defining the audience. So as we spoke multiple times before also in the videos, the target audience defining is the crucial part of it. So that has to be done, creating buyer's persona, map the customer's journey. So looking at the different stages of the customer's journey, which can be the awareness stage, consideration stage, and decision-making stage. Okay. And then we're developing content at every stage for it. Okay. Then we choose the marketing channels. So whether we are going to do SEO strategies or we're running paid ads or influencer partnerships, all those we can ponder on and we can decide which ones we want to go ahead with. And then finally, we create the lead magnets, which can be a lead magnet is like a value of information which you're sharing with your users in return for their contact details. So you must have seen this a lot on multiple websites where people offer free ebook or downloads in exchange for the user's name and email address. So that can be a lead magnet, which we can create and provide. Okay. And then starts the email automation part, email campaigns, which we're running, where we send out a number of emails to our users who have joined our email list, and we try to nurture them and then finally bring them to the page where we give them the offer. We give them the offer of the product and which if they're interested, they can purchase. So this whole thing is a part of your marketing funnel, which also involves landing page optimizations, call to actions, which has to be created. And then obviously going ahead and analyzing the performance, optimizing the performance as well. A lot of A/B testing goes out in this. So you can see these are the 10 steps which we can follow and then build out our whole marketing funnel. So this way we can have the structure in place and then we can start working on each of these stages one by one.